Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Tie with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in. Before we dig in, please remember to smash the like, ring my bell, and hit subscribe for more content. And also, please leave me comments. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin 8-hour chart on TradingView. I'm only going to cover this time frame because not much has changed since I did the weekly and the daily yesterday. So basically, what we're seeing here is on the 8-hour time frame, Bitcoin has been consolidating down here inside the horizontal channel. The resistance for the channel is up here. The support is down here, and it's consolidating right there. The level where it's consolidating at has previously had high volume just below. It's wicked down a couple times, and it went back up. So it's a high volume trade area. So it'll probably consolidate here for a bit before it decides what to do, unless there's some kind of manipulation to force it to go up or down. Currently, there's more liquidation levels on top to liquidate the shorts. So that might happen, but usually it consolidates a little bit more before it makes a big move like that. The Bollinger Band is at near the bottom of the Bollinger Band on this time frame, so it hasn't the wick touched below the Bollinger Band twice, but it came back up. So there's some room for it to move down more, but there's more room for it to go up. I gave this description right here: a crab and a bear. So it could crab sideways, but could go down because of the job reports that's coming out tomorrow. Even though the market is pretty much priced in for it, but how people react to it could be different. And manipulators could also take advantage of that situation, add a little bit more pressure to push it down. On the KDJ, the white J line found at the bottom. It found its bottom right here from where we last talked about it. I said it would come down and then swing back up. It did that and rounded down a little bit lower actually than I thought. Went down, now it's coming back up. More than likely it'll meet the other two line, the blue K line and the red D line near the 20 mark, which is right around here. The MACD lines are consolidating. You can see that here. And they're really tight together. The MACD white line and the red signal line are really tight together. And they're meeting at the 0 mark. And more than likely, if you look at the pattern here, it's just going to keep those histogram bars really short because it's going to be more consolidation. But the histogram bars are currently red. So they'll continue to be red for a bit yet because the white line is diving below the red signal line. I gave it a crab though, but it will continue to be red. Down below in the where the red RSI and the aqua CVD and the white MOM momentum lines, they are trending sideways. However, the white MOM line went up slightly and went back down. So I gave it a crab and a bear. So it's going to crab sideways, continue to go horizontal, but it could change direction because the momentum indicator is showing that. The overall, I gave the rating a crab and a bear. More likely a crab, but it could trend bear when the market opens tomorrow, or just before the market opens tomorrow, with anticipation of the job reporting from the feds. And that's pretty much it. Really quick one to update you on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the heat map, show you some updated levels here. You can see it's going horizontal basically, not much action here. This is consolidated, aggregated map. Not a lot of spoofing right now. It looks really boring. But down below, you can see the 35 by wall, 34 by walls are still there. The 33 by wall has gone a little bit bigger. You see how it's more whitish and then got more yellow and a little bit hint of orange here. So down below that, 32 is small wall, and then we get 31,000 wall here. 30,000 still solid. It's been there forever. Down below that, the 29K wall, it has come in and out, but it's solidifying again. So that leads me to think that some people or the market, some of them think that it may drop down below here, so they're preparing for it. The 28K wall is still down there. Let's go down a little bit more. 25K is still there. We have 20, and the one for 21 broke off here and probably moved it somewhere else. 19 just got a little bit bigger. 18 just got a little bit bigger. 15 still there. We have 12 just came in right here around 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. 10 got darker for a bit and then got lighter. 9.5K just came in. The 8K was there. 1K wall and then 0K wall is really big. Just near there. It's not really zero, but people betting like $1 or whatever. So that's pretty much where the heat map is. I find some of those lower levels funny because chance of us going down that low is really, really low. The probability is really low. Low 30s, it probably will happen. High 20s could happen. Mid 20s, reduced probability, but still possible. But anything lower than that, unless there's a black swan event or like a complete market crash, we're unlikely to see those levels, even with manipulation. All right. Appreciate you hanging out with me today. And remember, if you found value, smash the like, ring my bell, and hit subscribe. And leave comments, please, on YouTube. Appreciate it. Take care. Peace.